Rustic Easter living is more than just a seasonal decoration style. It is a gentle invitation to slow down and reconnect with simplicity. In a world that often feels rushed and overwhelming, embracing calm, cozy, and natural elements brings a sense of grounding into your home. This approach celebrates imperfection, warmth, and authenticity, making Easter not just a holiday, but an experience of peaceful living. At the heart of rustic Easter decor lies a connection to nature. Think soft linens, weathered wood, and organic textures that tell a story of time and care. These elements don't shout for attention, instead, they quietly create a soothing environment. When you surround yourself with natural materials, your space begins to feel alive, breathing calm into every corner. Color plays a subtle yet powerful role in achieving this aesthetic. Soft pastels like muted sage, dusty rose, and warm cream create a harmonious palette that feels both fresh and timeless. Unlike bright, bold Easter colors, these tones evoke a sense of calmness, like a gentle spring morning unfolding slowly outside your window. Textures are where rustic Easter living truly shines. Layering woven baskets, linen tablecloths, and ceramic accents adds depth and warmth to your space. Each texture contributes to a sensory experience, making your home feel inviting and lived in. It's about creating a space where every surface tells a story and invites touch. Natural elements such as dried flowers, fresh greenery, and simple branches bring the outdoors in. A vase filled with wildflowers or a bundle of eucalyptus tied with twine can instantly transform a room. These details are effortless yet impactful, reminding us of the beauty found in nature's simplicity. Handmade decor is a cornerstone of rustic living. Whether it's hand-painted eggs, DIY wreaths, or crafted centerpieces, these pieces carry a personal touch that store-bought items often lack. The process of creating them is just as meaningful as displaying them, adding intention and love to your Easter celebration. Lighting plays a quiet but essential role in setting the mood. Soft, warm lighting from candles or string lights creates a cozy ambience that feels intimate and comforting. As the evening falls, this gentle glow transforms your space into a sanctuary of calm and relaxation. The dining table becomes the centerpiece of rustic Easter living. A simple wooden table adorned with linen runners, ceramic dishes, and natural accents sets the stage for meaningful gatherings. It's not about perfection, but about creating a space where people feel welcomed and at ease. Incorporating vintage pieces adds character and charm. Old jars, antique trays, or worn wooden crates bring a sense of history into your decor. These items carry stories of the past, blending beautifully with the present to create a timeless Easter setting. Comfort is key in achieving a cozy atmosphere. Soft cushions, knitted throws, and warm fabrics invite you to relax and stay a while. These elements transform your home into a retreat, where Easter becomes a time of rest and reflection rather than just celebration. Simplicity is the guiding principle behind rustic Easter living. Instead of overcrowding your space with decorations, focus on a few meaningful pieces. This intentional approach allows each element to stand out, creating a balanced and serene environment. Nature-inspired scents can enhance the overall experience. The subtle aroma of lavender, fresh herbs, or vanilla candles adds another layer of comfort. These scents gently fill the air, creating a calming atmosphere that complements the visual beauty of your decor. Easter traditions can be reimagined through a rustic lens. Simple activities like egg decorating or baking become more meaningful when approached with mindfulness. It's about slowing down and enjoying the process, rather than rushing to complete tasks. Outdoor spaces can also reflect this aesthetic. A small garden setup with wooden benches, soft blankets, and natural decor creates a peaceful retreat. Celebrating Easter outdoors allows you to fully embrace the beauty of the season. The beauty of rustic Easter living lies in its imperfections. Slightly uneven textures, faded colors, and handmade details all contribute to its charm. These imperfections make your space feel authentic and uniquely yours. Sustainability is naturally woven into this style. By using natural materials, repurposing vintage items, and creating handmade decor, you reduce waste while embracing a more mindful way of living. It's a celebration that respects both tradition and the environment. Personal touches make all the difference. Family heirlooms, handwritten notes, or cherished decorations add depth and meaning to your Easter setup. These details transform your home into a reflection of your story and memories. Music and atmosphere also play a role in creating a cozy environment. Soft, calming tunes in the background enhance the sense of tranquility. Combined with warm lighting and natural decor, they create a multi-sensory experience that feels deeply comforting. Rustic Easter living is ultimately about connection to nature, to loved ones, and to yourself. It encourages you to step away from the noise and focus on what truly matters. In this simplicity, you find a deeper sense of joy and peace. As Easter comes to a close, the essence of rustic living remains. The calm, cozy, and natural elements you've embraced can continue to shape your home and lifestyle. This art of living is not limited to a season, it becomes a timeless approach to creating a space filled with warmth, intention, and quiet beauty.